The BARWING Foldable Exercise Stationary Bike, a 4-in-1 design with magnetic resistance and a bunch of adjustability and extras. Let's break it down. Main features: it supports up to 300 pounds capacity, which is pretty respectable. It offers 16 levels of magnetic resistance, so you have a broad range from easy warm-ups to more intense efforts. The 4-in-1 aspect means it supports different riding postures: upright, semi-recumbent, recline, etc., and includes seat height and backrest adjustments. This helps customize fit and comfort. It's foldable with transport wheels, so moving and storing becomes easier. For people with limited space or apartments, that is a big plus. There are arm resistance bands built in, and also an ankle strap for extra lower body work, so you can combine cardio with light upper body or leg strength work. There's also an LCD display, tracking time, speed, distance, calories, etc., and a phone holder so you can watch shows or follow workouts while riding. On the experience side, super quiet is a term used in descriptions. Magnetic resistance helps with that. The build is meant to be stable: steel frame, X-type support, good cushioning, so I expect less wobble compared to flimsy bikes. But being foldable and adjustable with many moving parts means you should check bolts, connections, seat backrest alignments. Also, the foldable design adds convenience but may compromise a little vs very robust fixed bikes in terms of maximum stability under very intense pedaling. If you frequently ride hard, you may hear slight noise or feel frame flex, but overall for home, moderate use it seems solid. In terms of price, one listing had it around $139 and 99 cents as sale price, so it's in the budget to mid-range for a foldable bike with many features. Reviews so far seem positive, especially among seniors or folks wanting adjustability and comfort. Some customers mention the backrest helps especially for longer sessions. Others say assembly takes up to 50 minutes. To conclude, if you want a versatile, compact, adjustable, multi-posture bike for home that gives you cardio plus a bit of strength work, the BARWING 16-8-2-3 seems to hit a sweet spot. It's especially good if space is limited and you want options. If you need ultra durable for very intense spinning or performance racing, you might go higher end, but for most people this is excellent value. If this sounds like what you need, check out the buy link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comment if you've used this one. I'd love to hear real user experiences.